introduce myself. My name is Dwi Nurul Fajria, and now I will introduce about my paper with my partner Indi Apriansa. We come from Pamulang University, and we will present our research on pragmatics. It's based on the journal file, my journal file, Journal of English Literature, on the title Justin Bieber Songs Lyrics Goes. In this presentation, we will look at how texts, the word that point to context, help create meaning in music. Okay, next, our research background. Why did we pick pragmatics and this song? Because language is how people express deep feelings and emotion. Songs are great for this because they combine words and music to send a strong message. Justin Bieber's 2021 song Ghost is full of longing, grief, and emotional connection to someone who no longer there. Through pragmatics, we can see how meaning depends on who is speaking, where, and when. Okay, next, our theoretical framework. Our study is based on George Ulysses' theory of deixis in 1996. Ulysses says deixis is like pointing with language. Its real meaning depends on the speaker's context. Euler lists 6 types of deixis, but we focus on 3 that show up most in the lyrics. First is person deixis, who is involved, and place deixis, the location, and time deixis, that's time reference. And next, our research methodology. We use a descriptive qualitative method with context analysis using official lyrics of Ghost as our data. We follow 4 steps. First, we reading and listening to the song, and the second, finding all deictic expression, and the third, we sorting them in the Ulysses categories, and finally, counting how often each type appears and its percentage. Now I will hand it over to my partner Indi Apriansa for explaining our findings. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Dwi. From our data analysis, we identified a total of 29 deictic expression within the lyrics. Our statistical breakdown reveals that person deixis and reference deixis are tied as the absolute dominant types, each accounting for 48%, 10 data item. They are followed by place deixis at 96%, 6 data items, and lastly, let's dive into our first dominant finding. Person deixis. This dominance clearly identified that the song focus intensely on personal emotion and direct interaction. For instance, look at Deltum 1, miss you more than life. Here the pronoun if function are first expression deixis, directly identifying the speakers as the main participant. Meanwhile, you function a second person deixis, pointing to the specific address they miss. This direct addressing creates an intimate, relatable bond between the narrator and the listener. Moving on to our second dominant category, for the reference deixis, a crucial example is found in the recurring line, I'll settle for the ghost of you. In a pragmatic sense, the word ghost does not literally refer to a supernatural entity. Instead, it symbolically points to the emotional presence, lingering memory, or the spiritual shadow of a loved one who is physically absent. This reverence enrichment deepness the narrative, allowing for a poetic interpretation of loss of a remembrance. Furthermore, place deixis is heavily used to emphasize physical distance and longing expression, like close to you our text to me indicate the narrator's painful awareness to spiritual sparation. On the other hand, time indexes connect past and time present. For example, the word signed in the sign of the love that you left acts as a temporal bridge, linking a tragic past event to the sparkles ongoing grief in the present. Thank you.